Hi guys, welcome to Annie's Math and Science. In this video, we are going to see how to solve system of three equations by elimination method and also substitution method. This question is about solve by using elimination method. Okay, so we are going to solve using elimination method. In this elimination method, you have to choose, first of all, we can number the equations. So this equation is actually 1. And this is 2 and this is 3. First we can take the first two equations and you can eliminate any one of the variable, okay, either x or y or z. Okay, so first of all we can write down the first two equations. 2x plus y minus z equals 5. 3x minus y plus 2z equals -1. So you can choose like z in this case. Okay, so we can eliminate z first. So you have to eliminate z first means this is having plus sign and this is having minus sign, but this is actually just z and this is 2z. Okay, so they have opposite sign, they must have opposite sign and also same coefficients. So in this case they have opposite sign but different coefficients. So you have to make the first equation to have the same coefficient. So you have to multiply the first equation by 2. Okay, so you have to multiply the first equation by 2 so that you will get 2z also, so that you can eliminate z. Okay, so 2 times 2x is 4x plus 2y minus 2z equals 10. The next one you can write as it is. 3x minus y plus 2z equals -1. Now we can add these two equations. So when you add, this will be eliminated. And so 4x plus 3x it will be 7x. And then 2y minus y will be y, just y plus y. That is equal to 10 minus 1 will be 9. So this is the fourth equation. Okay, and now you have to take the second equation and also third equation to get the equation same like this. Okay, so you have to keep in mind first two equations you are eliminating z means then the second two equation also you have to eliminate z. So you can write the second equation and third equation here. 3x minus y plus 2z equals -1. X minus y minus z equal 0. Okay, so here also you have to eliminate the z value, z term. So for that here also you have to multiply the second equation by 2 so that you have opposite signs and same coefficient. Okay, so you have to multiply this equation by 2. So you can rewrite the both equations again. So 3x minus y plus 2z equals -1. And then when you multiply this equation by 2, you will get 2x minus 2y minus 2z equals 0. 0 times 2 will be 0. And in this case, again, you can eliminate z values. So this will become 3 plus 2 will be 5x minus 3y is equal to -1, and label this as fifth equation. Okay, now you have to take the fourth and fifth equation to eliminate either x or y. So fourth equation is 7x plus y equals 9, and fifth equation is 5x minus 3y equals -1. So if you want to eliminate y, you have to multiply fourth equation with 3. Okay, so you have to multiply this with 3. And so we can rewrite it again. 7x, 7 times 3 will be 21. 21x plus 3y equals 9 times 3 is 27. And then you can rewrite this as it is. So 5x minus 3y equals -1. So when you add this equation, both equations, you can eliminate y, and 21x plus 5x will be 26x. 26x equals 27 minus 1 will be 26. So when you divide 26 both sides, this will be gone and x value equals 1. Okay. Now you know the value of x. So you can substitute the value of x in either fourth equation or fifth equation to get the value of y. So you can choose 5 in here, fifth equation in here. So 5x minus 3y equals negative 1. Okay, 5x minus 3y equals negative 1, and the value of x is equal to 1. So you can replace here. So 5 times 1 minus 3y equals negative 1. So 5 minus 3y equals negative 1. Negative 3y equals negative 1 plus minus 5. Okay. So minus 3y equals negative 6, and then divide both sides by minus 3. So this will be gone. So y equals 2. Now you found the value of y also. Okay, x value and y values are known. Now you have to find the value of z. So to find the value of z, you have to substitute the value of x and also y in any one of the original equations. So that because the original equation only having the x term, so you can choose one equation in here. So now we know the value of x and y. So I am choosing the first equation. So 2x, first equation is 2x plus y minus z equals 5. So the value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So you can replace both values in here. 2 times 1 plus y is 2 minus z equals 5. So this is 2 plus 2 minus z equals 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 minus z equals 5. And when you bring 4 to the other side, minus z will be equal to 5 minus 4. So minus z equals 1. And you can divide both sides by minus 1. So the value of z will be equal to minus 1. Okay. This is how we can find x, y and z value of a system of 3 equations. This question is about solving the system of 3 equations by substitution method. For substitution method also you have to label the equations. This is first one, second one and third one. And now you have to find the value of either x or y or z in one equation. So let us consider the first one. So x minus 3y and plus c equals 6. And now I am going to solve for x. Okay, solve for x means only x value will be in the left hand side and the rest will be in the right hand side. You have to move it to the other side. So now here x equals y term will go there. So plus 3y minus z minus plus 6. Okay, because this is in the other side and it's having plus sign only. So you have to solve for any one of the variable, either x or y or z. So I have solved for x. Now I have to solve. You can number this as 4, and now you have to replace equation 4 into 2 and 3 in the place of x. Okay. So first we can replace this one in the second equation. So 2x minus 5y minus z equals minus 2. Okay, so this is the second equation. Now we are going to replace the value of x by 3y minus z plus 6. So then there will be no x term, only you have y term and z term. Okay, so now we are going to solve in the place of x 3y minus z plus 6. So 2 times 3y minus z plus 6 minus 5y minus z equals minus 2. Okay, now you can distribute this in here. So when you distribute, you will get 6y minus 2z plus 12 minus 5y minus z equals negative 2. Okay, now you have to put the like terms together. So 6y minus 5y will be y, and so this is gone, and now 2z, negative 2z and minus z, which will be minus 3z. Okay, so this will be gone, and now you can bring the 12 to the other side. So negative 2 minus 12, negative 2 minus 12 will be negative 14. Negative 14. So now we can number this as 5, equation 5. Okay. So first of all, we are finding the value of x, and then you are replacing in the second equation. Okay. Now you have to replace the value of x in the third equation. So minus x. So the third equation is minus x plus y plus 2z equals 7. Minus x plus y plus 2z equals 7. Now you can replace the fourth equation into the third equation. So x value is 3y minus z plus 6. So you are going to replace the x with 3y minus z plus 6. So minus 3y minus z plus 6. Now you can continue writing the equation, plus y plus 2z equals 7. So now you can distribute the minus inside. So minus 3y plus z minus 6 plus y plus 2z equals 7. Now you can find the like terms and put the like terms together. And so minus 3y plus 2z will be, minus 3y plus y will be negative 2y. And then z plus 2z will be plus 3z equals, this is going to the other side. So 7 plus 6 will be 13. Okay. Now we can number this as sixth equation. Now you have to use the fifth equation and also sixth equation to eliminate either a y or z. Okay. So sixth equation is already there. You can write the fifth equation below that. So y minus 3z equals negative 14. So y minus 3z equals negative 14. Now you can eliminate either y or z. It is easy for us to eliminate z. Okay. So because it is having the same coefficient and opposite sign. So you can cancel this out. Minus 2y plus y will be negative y, that is equal to negative 1. So divide both sides by negative 1. So the answer will be y is equal to 1. Okay. Now you found the value of y. And now you can use either equation 5 or 6 to get the value of z. Okay. Because this is having only two variables, only y and z. You know the value of y, so you can substitute the value of y to get the value of z. Let us take fifth equation for that. So y minus 3z equals negative 14. Y minus 3z equals negative 14. So the value of y is 1. So 1 minus 3z equals negative 14. So when you bring this to the other side, it will become minus 1. So minus 3z equals, when it goes to the other side, minus 14 minus 1 will be, which will be negative 15. So divide both sides by negative 3. So this will be gone and z equals 5. Okay. Now you know the value of y and also z. Now finding the value of x is easier now because already you have solved for x, right? The fourth equation is x equals 3y minus z plus 6. So if you substitute the value of y and c in this equation, it is easy for you to find the value of x. So x equals 3y minus z plus 6. The value of y is 1 and z is equal to 5. So x equals 3 times y is 1 minus z is 5 plus 6. So the value of x will be 3 times 1 is 3 minus 5 plus 6. So 3 minus 5 is -2. -2 plus 6 will be 4. Okay. So this is how you can find the value of x, y and z. You can write it again. So x is equal to 4, y equals 1 and z equals 5. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe and share it.